Welcome to our fantasy writing unit. This is going to be an amazing and fantastical writing unit. But first, a few things you need to know about fantasy before we begin our journey. The setting can be an imaginary place, another world, or universe. The time is any time or no time. Time travel is possible in fantasy writing. The story can be humorous or have a message. There is a problem and a solution. There's also a quest or a journey in your fantasy piece. There might be monsters, aliens, or dinosaurs. Animals might act like humans or wear clothes and talk. There are fantastical elements like a magic wand, a potion, or a magic word or phrase. Some examples you may come across in great fantasy pieces can be a cowboy looking into a magic ball and making a wish, a wizard in a bog, talking animals in a forest, a child coming across a magic fairy at bedtime, or running into a knight in shining armor. The ideas are limitless. Have fun. Remember, when writing your fantasy piece, use correct punctuation, capitalization, rules of dialogue. Use words that show, not tell, have a problem and a solution, at least one magical element, and vary your vocabulary. Let's begin writing.